to Subtraction with Archie. Today I'll be showing you how to do subtraction, and you can apply this to any number you like. And our first question is here, which is 9,098 minus 6,989. So to begin, we start always on this side. This side is where we start. And then we just move to the left. We start on the right and move to the left. So we do 8 minus 9. You cannot minus 8. You can't minus 9 from 8. So we go to the next column, which is 9. We carry 1 from the 9, which makes this one, which makes the 8 now 18, and the 9 8. And we now do 18 minus 9, which is 9. Now we do 8 minus 8 is 0. And 0 minus 9, you can't do that. So you make this 9 and 8, and the 0 is now 10. That's 10 minus 9, which is 1. Now last step was 8 minus 6, which is 2. Now to make sure that we are correct, we go the bottom one we are subtracting, so this bottom number, and we plus it with this number. And if it makes the top number, then that means we are right. So we go 6,989 minus 2,109. Now we do, it's actually plus, it's not minus. Now 9 plus 9 is 8, and you can't put 9 plus 9 is actually 18, but you can't put 18 in one column. So you put 8 in this column, and you put a 1 over the 8. And now since it is 8 plus 0 plus 1, because you have this one here, that is 9. And I found the quickest way to do it is you just plus 1 with 9, and then with 8 in this example, which is 9. And then since you're plussing with nothing else, you do how much 1 plus 8 is. Now 9 plus 1 is 0. 10, but the last digit in 10 is 0, and then we put the 1 above the 6. Now it is 3 plus 6, which is 9. And since this bottom number here is the same as the top number here, that means our answer for question number 1, which is 2,109, is correct. If you can solve these questions. Please pause the video if you do wish to. Okay, so for question 3, we do 0 minus 9. That is impossible. So you cross out the 1 and make that a 0. Now it's 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now do 0 minus 9, you can't do that again. Now do make that a 7. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. And 7 minus 7 is 0. To make sure the answer is correct, you do 799 plus 11 is, and going 9 plus 1 is 10, that leaves us with a 0, because we can only, like I said before, you can only put one digit in a column. Now it is 9 plus 1 is 10, plus another 1 is 11. Once again, you put the other digit of 7. Now it's 1 plus 7 is 8. So our answer is 810, which is the same as up here, so it is correct. So 11 is correct. So if you got 11 from the answer, you are correct. Now for the question 4, you go 8 minus 9, you cannot do that. You go to the next column, make the 9 and 8 and make it 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Now 8 minus 9 you cannot do. And now you can't carry anything from 0 to the 8. So you have to go to the next column. Now it's no longer 9, you have to make that 8 and make the 0 now 10, but you still can't minus 8 from 9. So you cross out 10, leaving the 9. Now it's 18 minus 9, it's 9 once again. Now it is 9 minus 9 is 0, and 8 minus 2 is 6. And we check the same way, we plus these two together. So it's 2,999 plus 6,099. Now where 9 plus 9 is 18, you can only have one digit in the column, and you put the 1 above the 9 in the next. Now you do 1 plus 9 is 10, plus another 9 is 19. Same process, you have to put the 1 above the 9 in the next column. Now it's 1 plus 9 plus 0, which is 10. And you put the 1 above the 2. Now it is 2 plus 1, which is 3 plus 6, is 9. And since our answer is the same as the top one, that means 6,099 is correct. If you got this, you are correct. Great job! So, to start off with, we will do 8,900 minus 6,799. So we currently have our sum, and we always work from right to left. So we will go 0 minus 9, and then we'll just keep on going this way until we have finished the number. And you only ever carry or touch anything from the top number. So to start off with, we do 0 minus 9. You can't minus 9 from 0. So go to the next column to carry something, but there's a 0. You can't carry anything from a 0 because it's plain 0. You go to the next column, see if you can carry it. And you can, because there's a 9. You make a 9 and 8, and you make the first 0 in the number a 10, or you need to carry from the 10, making the 10 a 9, and the next 0 a 10. Now you do 10 minus 9, which you now can do, which is 1. Now 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 7 you can do, it is 1. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So our answer is 2,101. So to make sure we did it correctly, we do 2,101 plus 6,799. Now I do 9 plus 1 is 10. Since you can only put one digit in a column, and this is the ones column, you put the tens in the next column, which is tens. That is 0 plus 9 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So I do the same. Now I do 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9. Now, 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we compare our answer to our top number. If our answer for the addition is the same as our answer this top number, then that would mean our answer, which is 2101 here, would have to be right. So in this situation, yes, you are right. If you are not right in this situation, you rewrite the sum and you redo the subtraction. So that is the theory behind it. Now I'll be giving you one to do on your own. And our question one will be 9,800. And please pause the video when I have finished writing the number, if you do the rest. Minus 6,999. Now please pause the video so you can do it yourself. Now, to find the answer, we got 0 minus 9. Impossible. We go to the next column. Can we carry a number from 0? No, we cannot. So we go to the next column, which is 8. Now, since it's a whole number, we can carry from 8. So we change 8 to a 7, and we make this 0 a 10, but we are carrying from 10 now. So that's now the 10's a 9, and the first one that we were trying to make higher than 0 is a 10. Now we go 10 minus 9 is 1. Now we go to the next one. 9 minus 9 is 0. The next column, 7 minus 9, you cannot do it. So you go to the next column, which is 9. You make the 9 and 8, and now it's 17 minus 9. You can do that, which is now 8. And now we go 8 minus 6 is 2. So that is our answer. Now, to get our answer, we do some addition. We plus this bottom number, which is 6,999. If our answer for this addition is the same as the top one, that means we'll be right. Now we go 1 plus 9 is 10. We can only have one digit in the column, and since this is the 1 column, so we have a 1 in it. So the 1 in 10 is the 0. That's in the 1's column. And the 10 goes to the next column. Now it is 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 9 is 10 once again. Now the 0 in the 10's column, we leave in the 10's column, and the 1 in the 100 column, we put in the 100's column. Now it's 8 plus 1 plus 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9, so it's 9 plus 9, which is 18. And we put the 8 that's in the 100 column, and the 1 that's in the 1,000 column goes to the 1,000 column. And we can only put over one digit in each column. Now it is 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 6, so it's 3 plus 6, which is 9. Now, our top answer was 9,800, and our addition answer when we were doing the addition is 9,800. Since this bottom number is the same as this top number, that means we are correct in saying 9,800 minus 6,999 is 2,801. So that means we are correct. If you got this, great work. Welcome back to to another subtraction video. On this video, I'll be showing you how to minus decimals from another decimal. So our first question will be 998.98 minus 989.99. That is our question. It is the exact same as our last subtraction video, except you just have to put this decimal point and carry it down here. Now we go 8 minus 9. We can't do it like in the other video. You go to the next column, making the next column 8. Now it's 18 minus 9 is 9. 8 minus 9 you cannot do. You go to the next column, making this 8 a 7 and 18 once again. 18 minus 9 is 9. 7 minus 9, you cannot do it. You make this 9 a 8. That's 17 minus 9 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0 and 9 minus 9 is 0. So our answer is 8.99. And a very easy way for me is to treat this like dollars and cents. Because on this side is cents, on this side is dollars. And it's like dollars and cents with no dollar mark or cents mark. Now, just like in our other video, you plus the bottom number, which is 989.99. 9 plus 9 is 18. You can only have one digit in each column, so you put the 1 here. 1 plus 9 is 10, so 10 plus 9 is 19. You carry the 1 to the next column. 9 plus 1 is 10, so 10 plus 8 is 19. And you carry the next one to this column. 1 plus 8 is 9, so it's just a plain 9 in this column. And you go to the last column, which is 0 plus 9 is 9. And since I added this up already, it's actually 8, because you see it's 1 plus 8, that makes it actually 9 plus 9, so 9 plus 9 is 18. So that is our answer for decimal. And since this bottom one is the exact same as this one, that means we are correct in our answer. So it's really just the same, but you just have to incorporate the dots, the points under each other. Every point must be directly under each other. So that is it for now. Thank you for watching. See you later next time.